Wow, so what a great collection of 3 hotels there in today's video. So we're here at this, ooh la la, wow, so beautiful. So this is a bungalow here at the RESPATI hotel. You can see bedside cabinets either side. So it's a draw curtain. So this is a overhead lighting. And on the other side, we have some more rooms here. So this is a swimming. So you have a nice double wash basin, a big mirror. And this is the dining. So you're staying with some cabinets, air conditioning over on the far side. Have a TV over on the wall. So you have a wash glass shower facility. Beautiful swimming pool area. There's a courtyard. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Sanur. I'm on the central street of Jalan Tamblingan, which is the main street here in Sanur. And what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you 3 hotel accommodation options that are all within about a 200-meter radius of each other, that are located at the far end of Sanur, approximately I would say 800 meters to 1 kilometer from the Artasedana supermarket, which I would classify as central Sanur. All of these restaurants in today's video, even though they're 800 to 1 kilometer from Artasedana supermarket, they are still going to have access to shops, restaurants. They're going to be in close proximity to the beach, so all is going to be on hand to you. However, they are not in central Sanur. But without any further ado, let's take you and show you these 3 hotel accommodation options available here in Sanur. These are the exchange rates here in Bali today, 17th of December 2022. RESPATI Sanur Beach Hotel, which is on Jalan Tamblingan, opposite the money exchange over there, Emma Spa, Tattoo. And heading up this way, we'll be heading back towards Jalan, towards the Artasedana supermarket. Heading down this way, we'll be going towards Sindu night market area. So this is the hotel entrance area. You have car parking at the front here, and then this is the entrance to the hotel, RESPATI Beach Hotel, and this is the reception area here at the back. Got a little seating facility area in here also. Just continuing on from the reception area and now into the gardens where all the rooms are located here at the RESPATI. So they're currently having quite a few checkouts, hence the laundry baskets and things around. So here's some nice looking rooms here. Beautiful gardens here, really nice. And there's 44 rooms in total available here at the RESPATI. So these like deluxe and standard rooms, and then this is the bungalow. So this is a bungalow here at the RESPATI hotel. Let me just take you in and show you around. So you have a little balcony area here that greets you as you're going to enter the front door. You have a clothes rail for your laundry. You have 2 chairs and a little table. And I'm going to just take you inside now and show you the room. So this one is twin beds, however they do have double beds available. You can see bedside cabinets either side. Bedside lighting is up above. Just over by the door there you have a nice little sofa type thing going on. It is air conditioned. You have a TV there, which is satellite television, Wi-Fi is provided, and you also have a desk area as well. Also have a kettle here tea and coffee, looks as though it's provided. And then you have some complimentary water also provided. So this is the entrance to the bathroom. Entrance to the bathroom, you have a double wardrobe. Have a safety deposit box inside the wardrobe. And then just on the other side you have your bathroom. So there's your wash basin. Have a huge mirror. Toiletries are provided with a RESPATI logo name on them. Soap. And you have a hairdryer also, looks rather fancy. A sanitised toilet with a bum washer. A beautiful towel rail with beautiful towel rails with the RESPATI logo on also. And then here's your shower facility. So it's a drawer curtain across shower. Everything's clean. And you have a single handheld shower with a soap dish on the side there. This place is so big, it just continues on. So it comes on Jalan, Tamblingan and goes straight through to the beach, and we follow it all the way along. Some beautiful gardens here. Really nice, everything's clean, nicely manicured, taken care of. Everything's looking so good. And look at this, ooh la la, wow, so beautiful. So this is a deluxe room here at the RESPATI, and this is in a complex of many rooms like this. So we just take you inside and show you around. So you have a little balcony here with two chairs here, little table, little towel rail, and then we'll just enter inside the room. So here's your double bed, have overhead lighting, above you have bedside cabinets, have a flower painting decoration on the wall. Other side there you have TV, satellite television, huge big flower painting, two synthetic soft cushion chairs with a wooden table, a little area over here with a kettle and cups provided, and also tea and coffee. And then over on this side we have a desk with a synthetic chair, big mirror, complimentary water, tissue box, and a standing lamp. Over here just by the entrance to the bathroom we have a double wardrobe. It does have a safety deposit box inside. The room is air conditioned, located just above the wardrobe. And then this here is your bathroom facility. So here you have a bathtub, sanitised toilet, have a bum washer, RESPATI logo towels and the towel rail, and then you also have a nice wash basin with a huge mirror, hairdryer provided, and also the RESPATI toiletries provided. Well, this is the bathtub. Single shower over the bathtub also. Main RESPATI. We have some more rooms here right up close to the beach and the swimming pool. So we've got a lot of checking in and checking out going on at the moment. And then this is the swimming pool. undercover lounger, resting areas there, 3 available by the side of the swimming pool. And just over here you have the restaurant breakfast area. This is the dining facility area, right next to the beach. Another little section on the other side here also. And as we go out, we've just got a few more tables and chairs here also, right onto the new promenade here in Sanur. Electric bike again, because this path's designed for walking on bikes. And there's your beach area here at the RESPATI. This is a really nice section of beach here. Nice white sand. These are rolled up because it has been raining just. Okay, so just off the side of Jalan Tamblingan we have Hotel Tamblingan. It's the big sign here as well. And then you have the Nest Boutique Spa located just there. And then heading back up this way, you're right next door to the PT Ringgit money exchange, and heading back up this way is towards Artasedana supermarket. So this is the entrance, it's set right off the road. So this is the big car parking facility. And then at this current moment in time we have to use this entrance into the restaurant to enter the hotel reception area. So Alice's restaurant as well, and this is the inside. So this is the temporary reception stroke lobby area. It's usually upstairs, but obviously due since the COVID, this is where it currently is. This is the swimming pool area here at the Tamblingan Hotel. Sun lounges. A lovely little pool down there. It's ideal for the kids for playing in. Okay, so this is a superior room at the Tamblingan Hotel. Let's go and take you inside. Double bed there with bedside cabinets, bedside lighting on both sides, decoration above the bed. Have a television, it is satellite television, international channels. Wi-Fi is also provided. In this little cabinet here you have a refrigerator, small refrigerator. Bench here with a table, soft cushion seating. You have a little desk facility over in the corner here by the window, also provided with a kettle, and it looks as though they provide water daily as well, and I see there's tea and coffee in the pack there. Have a big treble wardrobe, and just by the side of the wardrobe and in between the TV you have the bathroom. So you have a bathtub here with a shower also. There's your toilet, there's your towel rail, there's your wash basin, and a big mirror, provided with toiletries as well here, and then you have a separate shower also. All is very clean. Another door here leading out to the balcony, a little balcony, a couple of chairs and a table, and then there's a swimming pool down below. So all of these around the outside, on the just around the swimming pool, these are the bungalow type rooms. I think they have 6 of these available, she said. Just all of around the swimming pool area. This is the dining facility. Swimming pool's over there, and we have the dining facility here. Place called SVARNA Hotels here, right next door to a Circle K and opposite the new mall that's being constructed here in Bali called the Icon Bali. So if you're looking for a premium location here on Jalan Tamblingan, this might be an option for you. You can see the place, SVARNA Hotel. Since the outside it does actually just look like a shop, and we've got to go in here. So Circle K is to your left, and then this is the entrance to the hotel. You've got a nice bamboo that greets you as you walk in on the left hand side. Nice little authentic Balinese desk. And you have stairs to the left which I presume go up to the rooms. And you have a beautiful garden setting in the courtyard. Here's your reception desk over at the back, and then here's your lounge area. So this is on the first floor here at the SVARNA, just by the swimming pool. You have a nice little seating area here. Big mirror on the back wall, and then this is the swimming pool just up the stairs. It's on the rooftop. Beautiful swimming pool area. Some lounges around the side. Okay, so this is a deluxe room at the SVARNA. Let's take you inside and show you around. Okay, so we have a double bed, bedside cabinets, air conditioning over on the far side, little painting on the wall over there, have a desk facility stroke dressing table with a big mirror, have a TV over on the wall here which is satellite television. Wi-Fi is also provided. It's electronic key activated, so no doors to the keys here. Have a kettle provided, tea, coffee, water, refrigerator, a big double wardrobe over here, and then we have a safety deposit box, which is a big laptop style safety deposit box, and then this is your bathroom facility. So you have a wash hand basin, huge mirror, nice guy in the mirror also. Toiletries provided. It's your toilet, and then you have a enclosed glass shower facility. Towel rail on the back there. It's rain shower and handheld shower. Shampoo and conditioner provided. This is an upstairs room that we've shown you, the deluxe room what we've shown you, and then there's the downstairs courtyard. Wow, so what a great collection of 3 hotels there in today's video. As I said at the start of the video, these aren't quite central Sanur, however they are only, the RESPATI I think is about 800 meters from the from Artasedana supermarket. The other 2 I would say are between 900 to 1 kilometer to Artasedana supermarket. However, it's not that great big of a deal to be so far from central Sanur. There's many restaurants along this section of street. You're close to the beach access. Everything is on hand to you, even if you stay down at this far end of Sanur. So all in all, these are a great choice for your holiday here in Bali. So glad to share these 3 places with you in today's video. Hope you find them of some use. Maybe they could be potentially a place for you to stay here in Bali, and I shall say bye for now.